guys, it's April. This is our Sunday sale review of the Cricut Spring Flash sale. This is valid until 3/19, and we are getting 40% off materials and accessories, and machines are on sale too, guys. So I just want to point out that the links are down below in the description. Those are my affiliate links, and I will be compensated if you make a purchase after clicking on those. There is no extra cost to you, and I thank you in advance for supporting the group by using those links. Now, the group code is Craft Happy, and if you have $50 or more in your cart, you can apply that code and get an extra 10% off and shipping on eligible items. It does not apply to Access. There are no discounts on Access itself. Access will give you a discount on everything at Cricut.com, and the group code applies to everything except machines or things that plug in and digital items and Access. So, and I'm going to show you how that works here in just a minute. And if you have premium access, some items you will get 20% off rather than 10%. Now, your access discount will apply automatically. You have to enter the group to get the group discount. All right, so 40% off machines and materials and accessories. 150 off the Maker, $50 off the Air, $2.99. Guys, take advantage of that, especially if you've had your eye on a Maker. Tools and materials and accessories, 40% off. The mystery box, digital Disney mystery box, is still available, and the glow sticks mystery box is still available as well. That has a cutie in it, and I did a reveal video. If you want to know what's in that mystery box, it is still available. So make sure you're checking those out. Today is the 13th. Guess what? Yeah, they're here. The Easy Press 3, 9x9, and the 12x10, and bundles are here for you, as well as the Cricut Hat Press. Now, those are going to be my top picks for today because they are brand new and the bundles are out. They're on sale. We're just going to take a peek at one of them. This does use the Cricut Heat app. You can use it without the app, but you must activate these with the app the first use. Okay, so you can use any mobile device and activate it, and after that you don't need it. But it is bundle on sale for $249 and $269. The standalone machine is not on sale yet. But brand new items. Guys, I love that Cricut Heat app. It sends all the information and adjusts the time and temps for you just with the click of the button on the app. Sends it right over to the machine. The only thing you have to do is really on the machine is hit the power button. So simple and easy. You can use your phone to operate it. So it's so cool. Love it. Make sure you're checking those out. Also, the hat press is already out today as well. Oops. Can't click on that. We have to come over here and click on the photo. There we go. And it is $149.99, and the bundles are $199 and $249. And then we have another two bundles down here. Now, if you already have all the accessories and you don't want to do that, if you have the materials, make sure that you are picking up some of that strong grip tape and some of the hats. You can get those by going to Materials, Infusible Ink, click on Cricut Blanks, and right here where it says Bestseller, just select Newest Arrivals, and the hats are right here. Guys, I love those gray baseball caps. They are awesome. Good quality. And for your tapes, you're going to find them over here under Accessories, under the Tools and Accessories, Heat Resistant Tape right here. And guys, it's on sale. New item, and it's on sale. And you're going to get those discounts on it. So make sure you're grabbing some of that and stocking up on it while you can. So that being said, other sales, the mug press is not on sale standalone, but the bundles are. Your Bright Pad and your Bright Pad Go are $59 and $99. The Maker is Maker 3, I'm sorry, is $3.99, and the Explore Air 3 is $2.99. They are not on sale this week, but the Maker and the Air 2 are on sale. Now, that being said, I have one more pick this week, and that is going to be a machine. It's going to be the Cricut Joy, and I want to show you why. And we're going to show you how to use that group discount code. Now, the machine is regular $179.99, and it's on sale for $169.99. $10 off doesn't seem like a lot, but guys, look at those bundles. $189. So you can choose the kind of bundle that you want. $189.99 on it. I'm going to add one to the cart. We're going to take a look at what's going on here in this cart. $189.99. So let's view the cart. Now, you may see some blurred areas at times. I'm not hiding anything from you except some personal information, and I will never hide anything from you other than that. So right here, automatically 10% off because I have access. Now, this doesn't matter if you have premium or you have standard. It's 10% off on everything at Cricut. So it pays for itself. Boom, right there. That pays for 2 months if you have standard. But if you have premium, I'll show you a little bit later. Premium is going to give you a little extra here in just a minute. So when we go and we check out, let's see what happens if we try to use the group code on that. So if you run into this, you'll know why it's happening. And this is where you're going to see some blurring. So I'm going to put in the code CraftHappy. That is our group code, and apply. And you're going to see a little bit of an error message there. It's failed to apply the coupon. And that's because it's a machine. It plugs in, and we can't use that on there. But what if we add something to that cart? So I'm going to go back to the cart. And let's just pick something, anything. Let's go to, right here's a shirt. Let's pick up the shirt, and let's add 5 shirts. I'm going to add them to the cart. Oops, wants me to pick a size. Okay, we'll pick medium. Why not? Add 5 of those to the cart. Now our cart total is $213.94. Let's view that cart and see what happens. Now remember, that bundle was $189, right? Look at that. 16-cent difference. And I added 5 shirts. Where are you going to get 5 shirts for 16 cents? Cricut. You got it. So, but I'm not done. Let's hit checkout. Let's see what happens. And I do have premium access, so yours may vary just a little bit on the price if you have regular access, standard access, because that premium 20% that I'm getting, you may only get 10%. Remember I said if you had premium, you're just going to get a little extra? Well, there's your extra. So, but I'm not done. We still have the group code. I have over $50 on my subtotal. So now let's add that group code, CraftHappy, and apply it. Let's see what happens. Wow. $188.23. Okay, so let me explain those discounts. The premium 20% is off of the shirts because I get 20% as a premium access subscriber off of materials and accessories, those kind of things. So it was an eligible item. And then 10% off and free shipping was the group code. The premium free shipping, you only get free shipping once, but it's listed on there because I am an access subscriber and I'm over my $50 for my Cricut order. I get that. And then 10% off premium is off that machine bundle because I don't get 20% off machines, remember, only on materials and accessories. So that explains that. Remember, taxes may be added for you, and if you're in Canada, your prices will be on the exchange, and you will see that, and it will be reflected, but the process is the same. Happy crafting. I'll catch you next week.